Good evening, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. I'd like to thank very much all my new subscribers and also the existing subscribers as well. Thank you so much. This is part 2 of Archie's journal, my Maltipoo. If you didn't know, I've made him a journal and I've finished putting all the paper pads, papers into the pages. And I did take some pages out because it was still a bit too thick, and then it kind of weakened at the back here, so I put an old piece of denim that I've had in my craft room. I've glued that piece of denim here, so it's nice and sturdy now, nice and solid and sturdy. I've put a couple of eyelets in, one at the back, one at the front, and I've just put some string on it in order to close it for closure, because I know it's going to get rather big in time to come. So I've done that. It's only very simple, but it works. And once it starts expanding, then it'll be easy for me to close it up. I'd like to decorate his first page here. I've got some little bits and pieces hanging around. I thought I would use a photo of him, and I used my sprocket to print that out on. And I've also got some frames here, so I think I might use one of these frames. And also I've got some, I do a lot of crafting behind the scenes, but I'd like to just video some of it as well. I'm thinking whether I should use a piece of layer it. That would be nice if I used a piece of that. So if I I'll cut that. Let's have a look. Oh, that's not even. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller as well. This picture, it's a little bit too big. So if I cut that off, cut just a little bit more off. And put that, something like that. That would be nice. I think that's nice. Just put that maybe like that. And look at these stickers. So these are just all the things that I've got in my stash, like the clouds, but I think I'm going to take the puffer stickers off, the puff here. And I just love this. It says, I'm over the rainbow for you. Love that. So I'm thinking if I should put that there. I think that would look nice there. And then I can do a little bit of journaling here for him. And maybe, so, yeah, he's my little star, he is. Date for this was on the 3rd of August. I had just collected him back from the sitter. He spent the weekend with the sitter because I had to go away. I'll put today's date though. Today is the 7th. Lovely. I think that's really nice. Got my first page out of the way. That's done, and I'm hoping to do a lot more. I've bought some I think doggy stickers. I think I got them from Hobbycraft, so they are on their way in the post. I'm happy with that. That looks lovely. Anyway, if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell in order to receive notifications as to when we upload our videos. Well, I upload my videos. So take care of your good self. See you back soon. Bye.